Are you inspired by famous individuals with thicker and longer eyebrows? The trend of bold eyebrows is highly popular, especially among women who recognize the beauty and allure they bring. Thicker and longer eyebrows offer numerous benefits, including framing the face, enhancing the eyes, and creating a harmonious appearance. In this video, we will share 5 natural ways to achieve thicker and longer eyebrows, allowing you to embrace the trend without worry or artificial means. Get ready to enhance your natural beauty and achieve your desired eyebrows. Castor oil. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to stimulate hair growth. It contains essential fatty acids, proteins, and vitamins that nourish hair follicles. Apply castor oil to eyebrows before bed using a clean wand or cotton swab. Leave it overnight and rinse off in the morning. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in nutrients and can moisturize and condition the eyebrow hair, promoting healthier and thicker growth. Massage warm coconut oil into eyebrows for a few minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight, then rinse. Onion juice. Onion juice contains sulfur, which can improve blood circulation and promote eyebrow hair growth. Apply onion juice to eyebrows using a cotton swab, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this remedy a few times a week for noticeable results. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains enzymes that can stimulate hair follicles and promote eyebrow growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to eyebrows, leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse. Balanced diet. A nutritious diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is essential for hair growth, including eyebrows. Include foods like spinach, carrots, nuts, seeds, and fish in your diet. These foods provide vital nutrients that support hair growth and overall eyebrow health. Remember, consistency is key with these natural remedies. Embrace your fullest eyebrow potential, rock those fabulous brows, and radiate confidence with naturally beautiful, thicker-looking eyebrows.